today. So pretty soon we have to go come offline because we have so many things to do. May I go out there so? Oh. Alright, tell me when you're ready. Here. Here. Sorry. Oh my god. Is it raining?
Morning.
Is Kevin there? Stop eating your face. No, I puzzle. One Kevin, watch out, him shy, him nice. Kevin a blush. Oh Jesus, them say a blush. You blush?
Sometimes.
Oh, you blush. Yeah. Murder Samantha. So, I like him, honestly, I really like a vibe here, so in the morning, it's okay. Guys, I'm not lie to you, tomorrow is tomorrow is my birthday, queen. Tomorrow I'm a earth strong. 12 o'clock tonight, guys. 12 o'clock tonight, I'm a earth strong. So guys, I'm not lie to you. Him no born, him can't go on,
What that mean?
Yeah, he want hear me saying perfect.
I never said that.
So when you can't take him can't go on.
I said that.
You can't go on, you can't go on. You can't go on, you can't go on.
Can I go on?
Yeah, you can't go on. Yeah, honestly.
Later then. Gone.
Alright, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Want to turn the camera up on you? Yeah? No, I'm not like him. Well, him okay. Like him nice. I think when him like smart, him act weird around them. Yeah. And him stay last night and protect her like Batman and Superman. And he move like Flash last night, like him stay for hours. I never have a Batman or Superman in my life. So I don't know, I try what me get for the Superman here, cause yeah man. You might go on like yeah, you want to charm me and then something there. I take time I go on. I not tired down yet, you know, I still know, yeah, I play tough, I play hard to get. I go and play hard to get, I'm not ready for giving it. Watch my hiding face. It's too unsure, I see, watch out. Who did tell me a blush? Who did
blush?
You a blush, I talk.
You're early, man.
Murder, but anyway, yeah. You're okay. So we have full plans today?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we have a full schedule today. And I guess we are going to prepare ourselves for all of that now. We're going to end up coming offline. Kevin Hans, you get a Hans name already. Yeah. Name Kevin Hans. I don't know, this is the Kevin Hans. Take us with you. That's why I'm going to come out for the phone because I have to carry on everywhere and save the battery. So yeah, we are going to take, like, there's so many things that we have to do today. But I'm going to be in and out. Guys, more to watch most of the video on our YouTube channel. We're going to drop the video on YouTube. So please guys, watch most of the video on YouTube, alright? We have a channel, remember Life with Annie. Please go over there and go watch most of the video. There's so many things that we are going to end up do. And most of it now got dip on TikTok. So just drop over YouTube when we drop the video them and just watch them, alright? Yeah.
YouTube. Can't be yourself, is it?
Yeah, can be yourself. Yeah. You can be yourself now. What kiss now? Go your bed. But hey, you wash your plate them yet, but kiss. Hey, look at girl, I will kiss son lick you now. But kiss now. Yeah? What that me I say? Thank you, baby. No, some other people. Oh God, oh God, oh God. One voice. Pick up yourself. I'm gonna see over here, so. Alright, so you want to wake up my place now? So guys, we'll go get ready. Go check this out.
But the road in our benches.
If I don't want to go like me too short, you know.
Shot.
Don't do that, you know.